आप पागल हो. So कभी भी न्यूरल, इफ यू टेकिंग वन पील ऑफ एंड यू गो टू साइकेट्रिक, आपको सब लोग क्या समझते हैं कि आप पागल हो. सो इट इज़ नॉट द केस. They have the lot many diseases related to neural. So that's why this privacy and security concerns are very much required. Okay. Then the next research opportunity now, which technology available right now. The research opportunity currently having, if you integrate, rather than using AI, you use a federated learning for collaborative AI without centralized data. You can use federated learning. The benefit is privacy preservation plus model improvement in a federated learning, and you can use a multi-institutional research network using federated learning. So it is a distributed model of AI. Currently we are seeing the AI model in a centralized base. Okay, one model at center and dataset is here. But if you want a network of hospitals distributed and you want to analyze that data with a model present at center, so you can use a federated learning in your research. Next, and which is very much important, and nowadays it is very much used in healthcare or the areas where the data is not available, or data is called as sensitive data, like defense, like your healthcare, education. These are the sensitive data which no one wants to share with you. So at that time you can create a synthetic data that use a training AI model without real patient data. The techniques you required here is GAN for synthetic electronic health record generation, and validation you can do by ensuring synthetic data utility. So yesterday we have seen one of the synthetic data how to generate by using random function. There is GAN technology. If you are able to use it, you can generate a synthetic data. There is again some free tools available to create a synthetic data also. Then explainable AI. This is also one of the advanced AI technique where you can get a decision making without any bias. So average is local, that is line, that is local interpretable model agnostic explanation, and with sharp, that is sharply adaptive explanation for model interpretability. So basically sharp, what it do? It is a algorithm from game theory where you get the exact explanation of the disease cause, and you have to use the FDA guidelines on the AI explanatory. So these are the deployment tools you require whenever you want to do the programming on this particular topic, that is scikit-learn, TensorFlow and PyTorch. For blockchain you require Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. Development IDs are Jupyter Notebook, or you can use PyCharm or VS Code. For visualization you can use Matplotlib, Plotly or Tableau, whatever you require. So these are some data set available where you can apply these techniques. This is freely available, you can download. The first Mimic 3 critical care database available on Kaggle itself, you can use it. Cancer Genome Atlas, the application we have already seen, one of that. Then UK Biobank, all of us research program where you get a healthcare data free. Okay. These are some essential reading of where we get the data, and these are the online research resources where you get the data as well as IPNYV file or different kind of things available of IBM, Google, Microsoft and AWS. These are not free actually. They are actually you can get, if you create a free version on Google or IBM, you get some data, not 100%. Okay, these are the paid solutions. So thank you for the last topic we have started is end over here, but I want to show you what you can do Is it visible to everyone? So basically, I have created 4 modules. The first module I have created is blockchain, where I have stored the data of patient using blockchain and mined that data. Second, I have used AI model predictor, which actually predicts the patient's health or risk he or she possesses. So basically I have used 4 models which I have shown you yesterday. First, I have used SVM. Second is random forest. Third is neural network, that is multi-layer neural network. And fourth, the logistic regression. By using that, I have predict the risk associated with the patient. After that, by using this 2 model, I have continuously monitor my patient which is admitted in ICU or in a hospital. So the vitals and the different parameter of patient and the medication has been recorded in a digital twin, and we have created the avatar. And on the basis of that, applying blockchain and the machine learning, we get the risk associated with each patient. So we have stored again it in our hash, or you can say in a blockchain. So by using that for 4 patients, I have created by using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. I have created this dashboard over here, which is in front of you. So I have actually the models already created for this each, and out of that 2 models I have already sent to you. So here there are only 4 patients created by the synthetic data. Then there are active alerts, blockchain records, and my AI model accuracy is now, which is previously 73%, hope you remember, which we run. But now it is 86% because it is adaptive. Once the patient is increased, it is again increased. Okay, so this, here we have this 4 patient. 1 minute. Actually, I have scrolled down, but it takes some time. So I just scroll down over here. And these are my 4 patients: Sarah Johnson, Michael Chen, Emma Davis and Jamie Wilson. So if you see that, we are continuously monitoring this PT1, PT2, PT3 and PT4. So if you see that, the alerts are always there. Okay, so there is a attention needed, critical, stable and concerning. So in ICU, if you have only one person who is monitoring 10 patients, you can give the screen and you can show as per their vitals. So vitals are like this. So their heart rate, their blood pressure, now if you see, it is changing continuously. So alerts, readings, so this is changing as per their periodical. Okay, so these are, so this is critical, concerning, this is stable. So you have to attain this 3 and keep it as it is. So so these are the active alerts: systolic BP, glucose and diastolic BP. So this is you need to acknowledge. So if you click the acknowledge, so we have already, that is, we have understood that there is a problem. So if we acknowledge that person who is sitting over there, we just click. So this is again the acknowledge, that particular, this is the critical things is already taken care, the medication has been given. So this is the dashboard. So if you want to check, now the doctor is coming for their IPD and they want to check each patient. So this is the patient. Even you can add new patient from here. So there is one utility given over here to add new patient. You can click and you can add. So this is the patient. You can explore the blocks of each patient over here. This is for technical person. So we have mined this block and the timing is given over there. So whatever action we have taken, it is actually given over there. Then there is an AI predictor. So this is AI predictor model. If you see that the fourth one, so you have to choose a patient. If the basically doctor is coming and he need to check what are the things available for that particular patient. So this is the age, BMI, systolic BP, diastolic, glucose and cholesterol. So these vitals have been already taken care by the IoT devices. So just doctor will click the generate prediction here. Your prediction result shows over here. So you have that doctor need to give the single medication therapy. The confidence of this predictor is currently 74.6. If you see that my complete model has a confidence of 86, but for this particular patient the confidence has been reduced. It is 74.6. So it can happen because of the data is not available for this particular patient. So what are the treatment probabilities you give? Because I am not a doctor, I don't know the treatment, but I have categorized the treatment into total 5 types. That is lifestyle modification, single medication therapy, dual modification therapy, triple combination therapy and intensive management protocol. It is given in HIPAA. So these are the terms. I don't know about this. Actually, I am not a healthcare expert. So these are the therapy will suggest. So I have taken it from a standard givens. So these are the contributing factors. So why we give the single medication therapy? The factor which affecting it mostly is systolic BP, because the systolic BP is 90, age is 58, BMI is 30. So these are the contributing factor. So this is clinical recommendation based on the patient current parameter. The AI recommends a single medication therapy with 74.6 confidence. Primary contributing factor include elevated blood pressure and patient age. Regular monitoring and follow-up are recommended. So we give the recommendation. Now it is the duty of doctor or that healthcare worker to prescribe the medicine, to prescribe the test or whatever. You can also see if you get the patient number 1 and generate a prediction. Now if you see that for this patient only the lifestyle modification only and the confidence is 83.7. These are the contributing factors. And based on patient current parameter, the AI model recommends lifestyle modification only with 83.7 confidence. Primary contributing factor include elevated blood pressure and patient age. Regular monitoring and follow-up are recommended. So this is how you can give. So because it has only 4 patients, there is a limitation for this system. If you increase the patients, this becomes more efficient system. Now we will see the digital twin, how the digital twin works. So I have just clicked to this digital twin. So digital twin, what it do? Actually it monitor continuously your patient. So here it actually monitors the vitals of your patient. That is heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, that is body temperature, and O2 saturation. So it will continuously monitor. If you click to the refresh data, if you see that, it will change. If you see that, the data gets changed. Are you able to see that? So it is get changed, and even your the recommendation, that is attention or stable, concerning or critical, it gets changed as per the data gets refreshed. So you have the 24/7 monitoring of a patient. Is it clear? So this is called digital twin. Also you can create in your system the alerts and monitoring, which I will show you. So this is the all levels or critical level. We have, hope you remember that we have already acknowledged this particular. So 3 acknowledgement have been already coming on this. So this is done. You can say the levels which are critical. So we see that there are 2 critical we have already acknowledged. You can see unacknowledged and warning. So these are the still active